Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you a salad using black rice. As you know, people having diabetes are restricted to eat white rice, and since long I have been looking for high fiber unpolished rice which I could suggest to my clients, especially from south who miss rice in their diet. And I found this gem. It is called Chakhao black rice, which is native of Manipur and has been successfully grown by farmers in the vicinity of 𝕮𝖆𝖐𝖆𝖐 School, 𝕮𝖆𝖓, under their rural outreach initiative and is promoted by Nutty Women Farmers Group. It has higher content of vitamin and mineral than white and brown rice and rich in antioxidant anthocyanins, which gives it a unique color. Read more on benefits of rice on my FB page, 𝕮𝖆𝖐𝖆𝖐. Come on, let's start prepping the salad.
I am trying this salad for the first time. Let's see how this turns out. Gently wash half a cup of rice, add equal amount of water. See the color of water and rice, how nice it's looking. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pressure cook for 2 whistles. I have here basil. Separate the leaves. And also of pudina. Wash them properly. Remember that we are using all the vegetables raw, so you will need to wash all of these vegetables thoroughly. Put it in the water to keep them fresh. Then we have iceberg lettuce. Remove the stem and separate the leaves. Wash and keep these two in the water. There is so much heat outside, it's good to put them in the water. It will remain fresh. Make thin long slices of onion. Add water in this too and keep aside. I have a raw mango which I am going to put it in water for some time. Slit the avocado in half, cut from other side also. There is a seed in between. Now put your thumb in between the gap and open it with your hand and remove the seed. Remove the thick brown skin below the seed with the spoon. Okay, now we'll need to remove the skin by taking out this yellow pulp from the avocado. This is not the ripe one, so we'll need to remove the skin with the knife. Cut it into long thin slices. Okay, now we'll prep the dressing first. Cut the orange in half and take out the juice. You can squeeze the juice with hand itself, no need of juicer. Now strain the juice so that all the seeds and peels will not get mixed in the salad. Squeeze half a lemon. Add the orange juice, olive oil, almost 1.5 teaspoon, crush the pepper, salt and some mixed dried herbs. I have mixed pasta herbs, so I am using that, rosemary and oregano. Adding some red dry chili. You can use chili flakes as well, but I like freshly cut. I will transfer this in a bigger bowl so that it will be easier to mix together. Chop 4 to 5 basil leaves finely and add. Mix everything well together. Now we'll be chopping some colored peppers, yellow and red. Cut them into small pieces. Those who are watching my recipes know these are my favorites. I try to incorporate them always in my salads and soups. Have you watched my hot and sour Chinese soup? It has become so colorful because of these peppers. Now let's move to our mangoes. First we'll chop raw mangoes into very tiny pieces, like we put in the bale. Now we will cut ripe mango. These will be 1 inch square. First cut horizontally, then make the vertical cuts, make the squares and just cut out the pieces from the skin. Wash a small bunch of coriander leaves properly. See the dirt. I'll wash it again once more. You need to be careful here while using uncooked vegetables in the salads. Wash each and every vegetable thoroughly. That's the reason I am showing you washing off the vegetables again and again. Chop the coriander roughly and keep aside. Now let's see our rice, how it's done. Oh, I think it will need less water than I have added. This has become little bit mushy. This rice is actually a sticky one, so the grains will not look separated. We will need to spread it on a tray or a thali. Let it cool down. Now let's move to our salad. We will put together all the ingredients that we have chopped. Arrange the lettuce leaves at the bottom first. Spread our rice over it. Sorry, I have lost the video of arranging the lettuce. Add the onions, avocado, red and yellow peppers, raw mango. Take out basil and mint leaves from water and dab them on the cloth. Chop the basil leaves and add the mint leaves, add the mangoes, coriander and then the dressing. Our salad is done. Beautiful, beautiful colors and a gentle fragrance is coming from this rice and mango. So nice. I am very happy with how this has turned up. So guys, do try and post your photos on my page. Please like and share the recipe and please do comment. More and more such exotic recipes are on the way, so subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and meet you again on Saturday with an interesting traditional recipe. Till then, bye and take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay fit.